Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today I'm going to share with you my favorites for this month. These are products that I've absolutely been loving. These are some of the products that I've had that I've just kind of set aside, decided to pick it up again. I was like, why did I stop using this stuff? And some of these are brand new that I've been like looking at but didn't want to pick up, but so many YouTubers keep talking about it, so decided to kind of give it a try. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna put my glasses on. The first one I have here is Prtty Potion. I've actually had this for quite a while. I had a client that gave it to me. She introduced it to me and I used it. I loved it, put it away. I picked it up again recently for some photo shoots and I'm like, why did I stop using this? All right, so this is Prtty Potion. This is Skin Tight Body Lotion. It is a natural scent and I'm gonna read a little bit about this. So this is something that is light reflecting particles, natural emollient is base gives the skin gorgeous, flattering glow. Radiance conceals a minor imperfection and enhances definition to create a sexy, slimmer silhouette infused with innovative blend of a plant extract to lift, firm, and tighten. Diminishes blemishes, bruises, sore muscles, repel insects, and heals sunburn. Fabulous on the face and hair too. All right, so this is what this looks like. And I actually picked it up because I was watching Jenna Dewan's Tatum. Oh, she's not Tatum anymore. But I was watching one of her videos and she was talking about this and I'm like, hey, I have that stuff. So they have this in 5 different colors. Let me tell you, you put this on and it gives your skin this beautiful glow. I've been using it on photo shoots lately and the skin, look at that. It just looks absolutely amazing. It just kind of blurs the skin out and it gives us this really nice, like dewy, just like blown out look to the skin, and it's absolutely stunning. Like I said, they do have 5 different colors and this is in the color medium. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you could see it because my glasses are scratched up so I can't, but see how it gives just like this really nice like sheen to the body. And so there's so many different things that give the sheen to the body, but this actually like it kind of blurs out, you know, like cellulite and, you know, imperfections like spider veins and stuff like that. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels really nice. It makes your skin look or feel super, super soft. So this is something that I've actually been, you know, taking on shoots with me, and I just ordered a couple more. I will totally give you an update on the different colors, but this has definitely been a must-have for my kid and for myself. All right, so this is something that I swear almost every YouTuber that I love to like watch has been talking about this Pistachio Skincare. I've been really curious about this. It is a little bit on the bougie side. I picked it up and let me tell you, it smells heavenly. It smells like sweet almonds, kind of like sweet pistachios or something like that. I don't know. It just smells heavenly. So I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and the only thing about it, it smells delicious, but my skin, like, you know, it depending on your body chemistry, things change, like the scent. This smells delicious on me for like 5 minutes and then it just kind of goes down dull. But my friend put it on the other day and it smelled delicious the entire time. So depending on your skin type, because I've had some people tell me that they've used it and they don't like it very much. So like I said, it smells delicious on me for a couple minutes and then it kind of dulls down, and I'm not crazy about the scent, but I continue to use it because my skin has been the softest it's ever been. It has a really nice glowy sheen. And you know how you have some, I don't know about you, but I have like these dry little patches on my elbow and kind of like in the back of my legs that is just like kind of bumpy. All right, so this stuff has kind of like smoothed all of that away. So that's the one thing. It's very hydrating and it is the best body butter that I have used like in a long time, and I'm like a little bit obsessed. I love a ton of them, but this has quickly become one of my favorites. Like I will continuously buy this because it has done wonders. I put it everywhere. And there's one YouTuber that I see that she has like 4, she goes like 3 or 4 in a month, and I could see why, because my skin is like amazing. It feels amazing. Even when I don't put it on, if I skip a day or something, it just feels incredibly soft and dewy. So this is actually wonderful. So if you've been, you know, kind of wondering about it, I highly recommend it. All right, so something that I started wearing a lot is like lip balm and stuff like that. And Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm is amazing. This stuff, there's another one. I think it's a cookie or sugar cooks. I don't even know. It's limited edition. I will put it down below. But I got the caramel because the other one was out of stock. This stuff will keep your lips hydrated. It feels delicious. It just sinks into your lips and it's amazing, especially if you are traveling and you're in the airplane, your lips get dry and stuff like that. This stuff is amazing. You can get it at Sephora. I already have an order for the other one. Love it. It's just absolutely wonderful. All right. So when I travel, I can't sleep. Like I was in Miami the other day. I couldn't sleep very well because I can't sleep without my husband. I kind of have to have him around me. So I don't really like to take too much stuff. So I was at, where was I? Whole Foods. And I picked up Good Day chocolate because I like chocolates. It looks like a giant M&M. But it works. Of course, it has melatonin, but it makes it a little bit more excited because it's chocolatey. And this stuff will put you to sleep like a baby. So if you have trouble sleeping and you want something kind of delicious and it makes you a little bit sleepy, I totally suggest this. These are great. They have different types, and a couple of people that I suggest are like, hey, you know that stuff you recommended? They have other stuff and it really works. So this is actually great, and you can get it at Whole Foods. Moving on. Okay, so I can't wash my hair every day. I just cannot wash my hair every day because I have scalp issues and I have super dry hair, and I have like since I can't wash my hair every day, I don't want it to smell bad. So I have picked up this Tuco. Is it Tuca? Tuco? Whatever. I can't even pronounce it. You know I'm horrible at pronouncing stuff. Okay, so this is hair fragrance and this is in Florence. It smells like gardenia. I started using it for a while, kind of put it away. But this stuff is delicious. It just has this nice floral scent. There's different scents and it stays in your hair like forever. So you don't even have to put perfume on. Put it in your hair. It makes your hair smell really good, and it lasts all day. So for those of you that do not, you know, wash your hair every day and you don't want it to smell, and sometimes the dry shampoo just does not do it for me, this is a great alternative because it just makes your hair smell real. Well, it's not dry shampoo, so I shouldn't say it's another alternative. But on top of the dry shampoo, which absorbs everything, because they have floral dry shampoos, you know what I mean. So this is actually great. It's going to make your hair smell really good. There's different scents and I love it. I don't know why I stopped using it. All right, so another thing that I have here is this is from Olay, Foaming Body Whip. Okay, so they have different kinds. I picked up the strawberry mint because I like to smell like food. This stuff is great. It is like foamy, as you can see. It looks like whipped cream. It smells really good. It just lathers up really nicely. It makes your body just really nice and soft, and it's fun to use. So I've been loving this. I actually need to pick up the lavender, which I saw the other day, and somebody picked it up. But they do have them in different ones, and I'm very excited to try the lavender. So this has been great. I've been absolutely loving this. Okay, so I have like hair issues. My hair is dry. I have like crunchy balls. It's so brittle and it's just a pain. As I mentioned a couple of times, I have thyroid, so my eyebrows have fallen off, my lashes are gone. That's why I always wear lashes. And my hair is just a hot mess. It's just really brittle. So Briogeo, see, I can't say it. This stuff, I've been playing around with their hair products non-stop. This deep conditioning mask has like been saving my life. And I did buy another thing that I'm going to do in my empties coming up next week because it's saving my scalp. This is saving my hair. I ordered some more stuff because this is like the most amazing hair like mask I have used in a long time. My hair actually feels soft. Like I could run my fingers through my hair. I never wear my hair down because I can't work with my hair down. It flies everywhere. I work outside all the time. And I love this stuff. I have seen a huge difference ever since I've been using this. So this stuff is absolutely amazing. You can pick this up at Sephora. All right, so another thing that I've been loving, my friend introduced me to these and I love them. This is new by Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin. This is a detoxifying charcoal wipe. And at first I was like, well, you know, because sometimes wipes, they don't really take your makeup off. I feel like it's a little bit on the drier side, but can I tell you that this stuff makes you feel really nice and clean. It takes everything off, and it's kind of cool that it's in a black wipey, and this has been great. She keeps it in her car, and now I just kind of keep it in my car, and then when I'm done with work, since I'm outside all the time, I just kind of wipe my face. It just makes you feel really nice and clean. It is detoxifying and deep clean. So these are great. I just keep it in my car, so when I'm done working, just take everything off. These are amazing. I love them. Okay, and you know I love wipes. I'm obsessed with wipes. So this I picked up from Sephora. They're really tiny. They're great for traveling. And you know, they're just, these are the cocoa water cleansing wipes. I keep them in my purse all the time because I like to use these for my hands and for my face, but since I have these, but these are great. They're really tiny. I've always wondered about them because I'm really picky about wipes. So these have been great, and these are great for traveling. That's why I have them. All right. So, all right, another thing that I've been loving is my Baby Bliss lips. What color is this in? I think this is cherry. Okay, so this is really nice because it has a little bit of a tint, and it makes your lips feel delicious. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on so you can see what it looks like. So if you're not a lip person, but you want a little bit of color, this is great. You see that color? It's kind of like a little bit on the cherry side. It's just a nice little tint to the lips. It's just really hydrating and soft. And bonus, it has a little bit of color. I've been loving these. I was buying them before, stopped using them, picked it up again, and I'm so happy because look at this. Nice little color to the skin. Okay, so I'm obsessed with candles. I live at Kirklands. So I've been picking up these cobblestone candle. This is a Sunday pancakes. Can I tell you, these are about $10. Look how big they are. And they smell heavenly. You don't even have to light them. They will literally make your whole house smell like whatever it is. So I have I have a ton of these all over. So this is creamy pumpkin frosting. And I've been trying to kind of collecting them for the fall. I have like one of my cabinets is just full of these candles. I have them on all the time, and you walk into my house, like, are you baking cookies or cupcakes? I mean, there's a ton of different kinds, and I'm a little obsessed with these. They last forever. Look how big they are. They were $7.99 and now they're $9.99, but I don't care. I love them. Oh my God, they smell so delicious. All right, another thing that I've been loving is the cobblestone candle pumpkin spice. I mentioned I like pumpkin spice, anything that food. This stuff is delicious. It's a spray and it just kind of lingers on, and it's wonderful. I have them in all my bathrooms and in my kitchen. Anyway, I think that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.